Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about yen index. So let's get started. Yen index, this is my monthly chart. This was I was expecting that it will go up and hit this target here, 73.30. First target, maybe go to second target, 74.50. But what happened, the 73.30 was hit and then we dropped. We didn't drop, Bank of Japan make it drop, right? So intervention came in and then boom, it came down all the way. Then now, since then, it's been retracing back again, right? Because the pressure is to the upside. So this is the shape that we have. We have this big wave here, and then you have A, B, C correction. Now, what happened after the big move? Like, for example, you see this big, huge move to the upside, right? And you saw the monthly chart, this is how big. The weekly chart, you can see the big move to the upside. So if it is making a turn, it's going to make the turn, then usually what happens is that there are some patterns, past patterns. You will see that, how it makes the turn usually. Let me show you a chart. This is how the chart is, right? So this is Elliott wave and harmonic pattern put together. So this is wave 1, 2. This is where we have bullish bad Gertley or Bertley, right? That's my invention. That Bertley means mixed calculation of bad and Gertley. And at the end of this move, you will probably see most of the time butterfly or crab pattern here. Then reversal is like wave A, then B. This is where you see bearish Gertley, bat, or Bertley, or just straight down move, and then you see that 50% or 61% or 78% retracement before it drop more. So this is what we're having here. This is this drop here, and then A, B, C, and this is what you see here right now. You see that it drop here after from the top, and drop, and then it went up, making this pattern here. A, B, C correction at 61%. This is the high here that is reacted before 72.63. So that's why I wrote down here, if 72.63 hold and drop, and we drop from there, all yen pairs will dive again. Now, how? Let's go take a look at the yen pairs then, if they are making the setup. Now, the yen pairs, you can see here that this, that's one of the alarm on a 40-minute chart is beeping for pound yen 40-minute short setup. Means that the short reversal candle is already in place. This was wave 3, and then A, B, C, wave 4, I said, and then maybe we will go for wave 5, but not in a straight line. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you see, pulling the fifth from here to here, this is 127 extension, and now we have a bearish reversal candle here. So I think that if yen index start to drop from here, even up until here, maybe 23% line, that's what usually happens, from 61% back to 23%, and then 78 or whatever, right? So back to 23% line, these will definitely drop. So this will drop until here, maybe, right? That would be wave 1 and 2. Right? It could come in like A, B, and then C kind of fashion, in the coming weeks. But this is the area that it might be dropping. Tomorrow we have CPI, US dollar CPI, red news, and then retail sales, 8:30 in the morning. Right now is 3:35 in the morning. So we have a couple hours, few hours, 4-5 hours, right? And I think that news will shake up the market, and US dollar probably going to get weaker. I will make a video on that as well. I made the video yesterday about the USD for that PPI news, right? Just before that. So I'll make the video just before CPI, an hour before maybe, USD video. But this one will also, if USD gets weaker, yen will get strong, hopefully, and then this thing will drop. Now, pound yen is going to drop. Similarly, USD yen already gave me the alarm. See, this is dropping now, red candles, right? This is also A, B, C, and then it's a big move to the upside. And then most likely it's going to come down here around maybe this low here, or maybe 38%, 50%, 61%, or whatever. If yen index starts to drop, this will drop as well as euro yen. You can see that pulling the fifth from here to here, it went up exactly to extension level, second extension level. First is to 127, second is 161. It's touched 161, and now about to post a reversal candle on this chart as well. So if yen makes the turn, all of these will make the turn, right? Aussie yen. Let's go take a look at the Aussie yen. Where the heck is that? Yeah, right here. All right, see that big drop here? That was the one, and then A, B, C back to 78% and turning to the downside. And CAD yen, boom, big move. A, B, C at 50% and might be coming. See these highs? Okay, they're stopping it. So yen index makes a turn. All these pairs will make the turn. All right. So, and the 90% chance that they will make the turn. 10% I'll leave it to the nature of whatever it takes the market to, I don't know, right? Nobody knows. But hopefully, yen, they will either Bank of Japan will do something or just the market is gonna, yen is gonna get strong and then these pair will drop. That's what I'm looking at. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys. Get ready, be ready. Whatever the system that you use it. And if you want to get my system, it's like my system is like. Let me show you that. How nicely. Even today, a slow day, I end up with these yen pairs. This is the 14, right? Here, I have what the heck. Oh, here. So see this even 14 today, I mean yesterday. In the slowest day, I still have this 60 pip here. Beautiful entry by the book from 7-minute pound yen. Going to the upside, buy orders right there. Easy peasy. And then here, euro yen. Going to the upside, and then this is where it lost the momentum, right? So it's 50 pip, right? And these are the couple of yen pairs, yen trades that I had yesterday. And today, hopefully, if we make the turn, I will have my 7-minute sniper ready, and we will shoot down any yen pair, try to go down. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys, and just pay attention to this. See, it's coming down now, right? It's coming off a little bit already. It's not even morning. It's like 3:38. Maybe there is a news or something. I don't know. I'm not aware of. But let's take a look. 5 o'clock Wednesday here, right? So Wednesday 5 right now is 3:39. So we really don't have any red or even orange news at all here. Yesterday we had USD, Powell was speaking, and then Aussie, right? Aussie news came out, and then Aussie got strong a little bit, but everybody's waiting basically for this news. Okay, today CPI inflation report. So that will tell us that what it is, and then I'm really expecting USD weakness and yen strength, and yen pairs will drop. USD weakness will take the pound USD, euro USD to the upside, USD CAD, USD yen to the downside. So let's see what happens. All right. So I'll take my trades, and then the next day I will show it to you. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And again, this is the main chart. Pay attention to it, and I'll make the USD video 1 hour before the news, the red news. Bye for now, and see you then after the news. Okay. Let me see. Stop recording.